we will need a beard trimmer and a safety razor. Obviously you need to have facial hair, hopefully without many gaps, and if you do, I recommend you find out about minoxidil treatment to encourage hair growth. There really isn't much science behind the way I do it, just put the 3mm guard on the trimmer and get started. I try to mess up the beard and leave the hairs pointing outwards with my hands, so it's easier to keep it even when trimming. Make sure you go over all sides a few times to get it as neat as possible before you go in with the razor. And be careful with the sideburns, try to get them even and don't cut too fast. You can always keep cutting slowly, but if you already did it in a hurry and you make a mistake, there's no going back. In this next step, it will be good to use some shaving cream so that your skin doesn't get so irritated. Now that we've moved on to the razor, try to shave in short strokes so you can keep better control of what you're doing. What I do is trying to keep the beard slightly above the Adam's apple in the middle area, and on the sides, try to keep it close under the jaw to make it look more pronounced. Make sure the transition between the middle length and the side length is as even as possible. Then I try to use the razor to go over isolated hairs that don't contribute much to the top line of the beard. I try to make a diagonal line on both sides from the upper lip of my mouth to the sideburns. To finish, fine-tune the last details so that everything is in order. I hope you found this video useful, and if you want to stay tuned to our channel, subscribe. Here is another video that might interest you. Hope to see you soon.